Hi there, this is just a quick video to show you how you can get the APA generator for your reference list. So what you need to do is to go to the home page of the Dice's Broken Base CE.net, and what you need to do is click on this logo here, Destiny, and that will take you into the library's homepage. You click on St. Peter's, and what you're going to do is go to the APA generator. Start new bibliography, click the OK, and then basically what you do, you read through each step, and then you're just entering add new reference, following where you got your information from, like a website, copy the kit, follow the examples, and then when it's finished, it will come in this box and you just copy and paste it to your work. Really simple. Give it a go and try getting it done. If other people in the class have made theirs, ask them for help as well. All right, I hope that helps. See you in week 10.